Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on exactly how to use coupons on the Shein app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to of course open up your Shein app, and now you should be taken to this page right here. Now I'm just going to take a random clothing right here that I want to be able to purchase, just an example. So I'm just going to take this one right here and add it to cart, and then I'm going to click on the cart symbol right here, as you can see. Now on the cart symbol, I'm just going to click on checkout in the bottom right corner, as you can see, and then I should now be taken to this page right here. So as you can see, I should now be taken to this page. And by the way, if you're not straight taken to this page right here, you might need to actually fill out your name and also the address that you want to be able to actually send this specific package to, just so you know. But then you should be taken here. Now scroll down in here, and to be able to actually use coupons, you can click where it says apply voucher, as you can see. So click on apply voucher, and in here you can either select one voucher that is available for you, or you can also apply your own code if you have one, of course, and then you will be able to actually use coupons on Shein app. You can also scroll down and click on gift card in here if you have a gift card that is also available, just so you know. But that is basically exactly how to use coupons on the Shein app.